Even me, I can deviate without seeing that I've deviated. So you didn't the weight. So you can deviate and prophecy will happen, tongues will come out. But you have deviated. And you can see when this one, they've deviated. A pit is waiting for them. Because once the word is susagu, command should yasuga, and there's no command without the commander. If you keep the command, you are keeping not only the command, but you are keeping the commander of the command. But if you don't keep the command, you are losing the commander. You will be left on your own. You'll be left on your own. Now, when you are on your own, what happens? You deviate. You follow your own ways. You forgot who you are submitting to. Meaning it was submission without commitment. You submitted to deviate. You submit to deviate. Not to be kept by the commander. Okay, touch 2 Timothy. 2 Timothy, ne? 2 Timothy. Yeah. Just 2 Timothy. I want verse 10, but start from verse 3. Chapter 4. Hey. Ooh. Touch it.
2 Timothy chapter 4,
yeah.
From verse 3.
Yeah.
For the time is coming.
We check out amplified, ne? Classic. Yes, let's go.
For the time is coming.
A time is coming.
When people will not tolerate.
When people will not tolerate.
For the time is coming when people will not tolerate, enjoy sound and wholesome instruction.
Oh, no. They won't ensure the instruction, the command. They won't even tolerate being commanded. These are people who have deviated. They hate instructions, they hate commanding. Because sebaphambukile abasatshelwa manje. Bashiqiniso balandele indlela zabo. Now uzomuntu uyakhuluma lapha no mina ngicabanga so but who told you to do it this way? You were told to do it this way. Now on your own. No mina you are reasoning. Something is leaving your body. Something is leaving you. You will wake up in the dark, not knowing when did you get to the dark. Because it's a command that must make things to be well with you. It's not a command to destroy you. It's a command to give you life. It's not to destroy you or to condemn you. It can be painful because it's a sword, it penetrates. But it will keep you by maintaining the penetration of the sword. It will be well with you. But you reject, it will never be well with you. You'll be defeated. Let's go.
For the time is coming when people will not tolerate.
Deviated people. You find them in church who hate the truth, who hate being instructed, they hate being commanded. Because they have the character of deviated people in them. They are no longer following the truth. They are following their own ways. Indlela straight, but they've turned to the right. Now it's a group of people. Those who hate the truth and instruction, they tend to the left. But is one. But as is let's see. eGalilee na. Emathuneni yobonana. Hayi eGalilee thina sohlangana wena emathuneni yobonana. Because you took your own path. You didn't keep the command. If the command is not kept, the commander does not recognize you. The commander recognizes you by his command. That you are his own, that you are his follower. He sees you by keeping his command. He looks for his command in you. He searches for his word in you. If his word is not in you, the commander cannot come close to you. He can't, because you are taking what? Your own way. Jesus. The way you are 6 people. Jesus. So it means you are not the group less on the instruction. You are falling to the group let's under ease. Because you have seen it love by phone in instruction. It means the another group let phone. Normal baba ne Jesus. Normal baba ne ta is lona alikweli. Sialfuna. Let's go.
When people will not tolerate.
When people will not tolerate.
When people will not tolerate, endure sound and wholesome instruction.
If there's no tolerance, there's no enduring. They won't tolerate, they won't endure. Should you Let's go.
But having ears, itching for something pleasing.
Itching for something pleasing. They have ears, but not for the command. They have ears for something pleasing. They don't have ears to receive the command. They have ears to receive what is pleasing to their ears. It can be pleasing, but it will never go well with you. You're going to meet with destruction. Because it's pleasing to you, but not pleasing to God. What pleases God? When one keeps the command, keeping the word. That's what pleases God, and says, this one, all the days of his life, no one can stand against him. No one can conquer him. So it means because now you forsake the command. Ngaba mnandi lokuzwayo lamadimoni ahlebela kona nale mibono yamadimoni kanti akusiya kaNkulunkulu kanti they are leading you to death. Mahle lamaphupho, but check, is it flowing from the command or flowing from your desires? Which flow does it represent? Which flow does it represent? From a command or your desires? If it's from the word, it will go well with you. But if it's from your pleasing desires, there will be destruction. You won't be defended. You will meet with failure. Go on.
But having ears itching for something pleasing and gratifying, they will gather to themselves. One teacher after another.
One teacher after another. It means they will run to church after church. One church to another. One church to another. Because where there's a command, it's not easy for a fake believer to survive. It's not easy. Where there's the command, where there's the weight,
la kunezwi
it's
nomyalelo
not easy for a fake son to survive.
akukho lula ukuba iphile indodana yamanga.
It's not easy
Akukho
to
lula.
submit such and to submit
kulokho.
under such,
Akukho lula ukuzithoba futhi ukhonze
because you are
kulokho.
submitting to a sharp sword.
Ngoba vele uzithoba enkembeni ekhaliphile.
You must be willing to be like Isaac.
Kumele uvume
The
ukufana
father
noIsaka.
phakamisa inxele so and say, let your will be done.
Uthi akwenzeke intando yakho.
Knowing that he's not killing me.
Wazi kahle ukuba akangibulali.
He's not killing me.
Akangibulali.
He's leading me to life.
Kodwa unginikezele ekuphileni. Jesus.
But if you are fake,
Kodwa mangabe
a
ungumkokotela,
command will reveal you
umiyalelo uzokwambula
that you are fake.
ukuveza ukuthi ungumkokotela.
Because if a command comes,
Ngoba makuza
it's going
umiyalelo
to test your perseverance.
uzohlola ukubekezela
It's going to
kwakho.
test your obedience.
Uzohlola ukulalela kwakho.
And that is what qualifies you now.
Yiloko kukuvumela yonke.
Uyama linde. Do you obey? Now the more ulalele, kuyaqala reality. Uphuma fake manje. Because ulindile mara ukhona ukulinda uyeza ukuthi kuyababa. The moment you wait, wow. This one is original.
Athi lona ungowukona
Let it be well with his ways.
lona ungungqo indlela zakhe zonke ayihambe kahle.